I took a ride with the guys today. I'm out on the road and I'm sitting in my truck and they're coming down the road in a minute. We are at a cul-de-sac that we do. We do about 10 houses on this street. So I will step out of the truck when they come down the road and just start filming their routines. A couple people asked if we would just film how we work, like how we operate, how the guys split the work up. One guy edges, one guy string trims. Sometimes they both mow at the same time. They have a different routine for different areas. They've got this, I almost said, they got this stuff figured out here. Side note, I'm gonna walk up to this trailer. You can look at how bright this thing is inside now that we painted it white. Heck yeah, look at this sucker. Look how nice this is in here. And God, by the way, the guys freaking love it. It's just so clean. It makes you feel good when you walk inside here. Well, there you go. On this group, you see how they get started. They both jumped on mowers. They're gonna mow all the properties first, and then after that, I guess one guy's gonna grab a string trimmer, the other guy's gonna grab an edger. They'll finish up about the same time, and then they both grab blowers, and neither one gets worn out or burned out on one tool. They both share the responsibilities. Now in that situation right there where Travis was mowing, you could see where it's very beneficial to us to have a lot of houses in a row. The truck doesn't move. All these yards just flow together. There's no fences allowed down here, so we don't deal with fences. So when we have 10, 15 yards in a row, we just blast through them like that. That's how these guys pump out 250 yards a week. Now right here, Sean's mowing up at this end of the group, and it's two houses next to each other before he crosses the street. And we just get the nice lines. right, so as you just saw, he just finished the 2 houses on this side of the road, and then across the street. Now they do like 4 or 5 in a row. They're all attached. I really hope these videos are showing what a beautiful day it is out today. This is where the out front deck shines. Look at how tight this little working area is. And with that deck being out front, you're just jamming in all little tight spots. You're just jamming it in there. Yeah, heck yeah. Oh damn, I lost him. Where'd he go? There he is. This is a big backyard all these houses have right here, because they have to go all the way down to the pond line. For us, all right, let's go try to find Sean. Oh, there he is. That was quick. I think it's time for a little fuel. Fuel?
Yeah, I just want to double check.
Yeah.
I saw you carrying a gas can.
Yeah, well, he ran out of fuel, so.
That's what I'm feeding. No, there's another reason I need to switch.
We will not film that reason. Okay, well, maybe I lied. Gotta get this gimbal in there. What's he doing in that trailer right there? Can you see him? I don't know if you can see him or not. Oh, there he is. Ha, pit stop. All right, so Travis, what's your routine? Tell everybody what your routine is.
Right,
do you go right to left, left to right?
Well, I do the fronts first on this set just because it flows way better. So we have that house, that house, that house, that house, this house, and 2 more. So I would start here, run the fronts and down the sides, run the fronts, down the sides, run the fronts, down the sides. And then we also have 2 houses across the street. Then I'll go over there and I'll do both of those houses. And then I would come over here and then I'll do the backs of these houses. Then I'll start.
So you run along the backs all the way down?
I'll run along the backs all the way down.
Yeah.
And then I'll start over here and I'll start doing the sides. and then I'll run down, come back up to the front, go over, and then run down the backs and the sides all the way around here, and then I run back around the front, and then I'm back at the trailer.
Gotcha. These guys got the most efficient way figured out. They've been doing these for a while, but like I said, they pump out 50 yards a day, which is a lot. And then Sean, what's your routine so everybody can figure this crap out?
I kind of go where the pavement is. The edges are a little more bound to what they're supposed to do. But generally, it flows up and then back down around the road. I do this one first because it's by itself. Once or twice it's been forgotten and then have to go back to be, done again.
Dope.
So, yeah, not forgotten as in we drive away,
Yeah,
but
I got you. I hear you.
So to make sure it gets done, I do it first. But the edger goes up the driveway and then down the other driveway. And there's edging in the back, of course, that gets done too.
Okay. All right.
Aside from that, there's no fancy stuff to the edging.
Okay.
All right, so another thing for the string trimmer guide we do it all the time just because it's more efficient. And when you're running 10 houses, you don't want to run out on the 9th house with no string. So we usually will run with a bundle of string, and that way whenever we're on the 9th house, we don't run out. We don't have to run all the way back to the trailer that's sometimes a quarter of a mile away from the house.
Good
Not
point.
that far, but
So you just put it in your back pocket, and if you need it, you have it. If you don't, you'll have it eventually. You're gonna need it. All right, good point.
Making our Christmas memory.
All right, we're not gonna follow these guys around forever, but you get the idea. They go in order, up the driveway, down the driveway, up the driveway, down the driveway. We edge all the hard surfaces, sidewalks, driveways, and the edge of the streets.
My thoughts have never been clearer. I see what you're doing to me now. They lie, they steal, they fooled us. Deep down, I probably knew that. I think I will be holding on to the one thing I know is stronger.
So these guys have been working together for 3 seasons now, 3 years. So they really know how to work with each other. If one doesn't feel like doing a tool, the other one will pick it up. They don't really have any issues like that. It's a great system. Works great for me as well. I don't have to micromanage anybody. They're self-sufficient, and I can work on my aspect of taking care of business and getting new customers. So I think we're gonna hide right here by this bush and try to scare the crap out of Travis when he comes around the corner. I guess he's done with his string trimming.
I wanted to walk into the trailer.
Yeah. That's what Sean was talking about, missing this house every once in a while. And yes, we blow the doorways of every house, little front porch areas. Well, that's it. These guys are done. So that's pretty much the routine, how they get a lot of houses done. Yep. Work together, work in a rhythm, work with the system, and put music in your ears.
Teamwork.
And away you go. Thank you. And off they go to the next group of houses. Stay tuned. We're gonna have that trailer lettered up and wrapped a little bit. It's gonna look amazing.